Have you ever pondered what might transpire if the world turned into gold? This isn't just the stuff of fairy tales, but a question rooted in the age-old fascination with alchemy, the elusive art of transmutation. Throughout history, the allure of turning mundane objects into gold has captivated the minds of many, a testament to our species' insatiable curiosity. But what if this mythical concept was our reality? Now, let's dive into this golden scenario and unpack the immediate consequences. Imagine waking up one day to find everything around you has turned to solid gold. A sight to behold, indeed, but the immediate aftermath would be far from a golden dream. Let's start with the economy. Gold, once a scarce and valuable resource, would lose its value overnight. The markets would be in a frenzy. The world economy could collapse, and gold-backed currencies would be worthless. It's not hard to imagine the ensuing panic and chaos. But it's not just about money. The environment would take a massive hit too. Picture this: plants, once green and vibrant, now made of solid gold. They can't photosynthesize, they can't grow. The entire food chain would be disrupted. And what about the animals? They'd be immobilized, frozen in golden stillness. And then there's the ocean. Once a vast blue expanse teeming with life, now a static golden wasteland. The consequences for marine life would be catastrophic. Now, let's consider the physical impact on us humans. Our bodies are remarkable machines, but they're not equipped to function as solid gold. Our hearts designed to pump blood, not molten metal. Our lungs meant to breathe in oxygen, not golden dust. The transformation would be fatal. But what about our buildings, our infrastructure? They'd be frozen in a golden stasis, unable to function. Imagine trying to use a golden computer or drive a golden car. It's practically impossible. And it doesn't stop there. Our planet, once a lively blue and green sphere, would turn into a motionless golden orb. Without the normal geological processes, the Earth's crust would be locked in place. No plate tectonics, no volcanic activity, no earthquakes. Sounds good, right? But these processes are vital for the life and dynamism of our planet. The immediate aftermath would be chaotic, to say the least. But what about the long-term effects? As the golden dust settles, the world would be a vastly different place. Imagine a world where gold is as common as sand. The abundance of this precious metal could potentially usher in new technologies and industries. Consider, for example, the realm of electronics. Gold is highly conductive and resistant to corrosion, making it an ideal material for electrical connections. If gold was as common as sand, we could see a revolution in electronics, with devices becoming more efficient and durable. But the abundance of gold would not only affect our technology, the very core of our planet would be changed. Gold is a dense material, and if the Earth's core was made of gold, it would be approximately 5 times heavier. This could potentially affect the Earth's magnetic field, which is generated by the movement of molten iron within the core. With a gold core, our planet may no longer have a magnetic field to protect us from solar radiation. This gold core could also affect plate tectonics, the movement of the Earth's crust. The increased weight of a gold core could cause more frequent and severe earthquakes and volcanic activity. On the other hand, the high melting point of gold might stabilize the core, potentially reducing geological activity. An abundance of gold could also impact space exploration. Currently, the high cost of gold limits its use in space technology. But if gold was as common as sand, it could be used more extensively in the construction of spacecraft and spacesuits, potentially enhancing the durability and efficiency of these tools. Yet, these potential benefits come with a hefty price. The environmental impact would be catastrophic. Gold mining is already associated with deforestation, soil erosion, and contamination of water sources. If the world was turned into gold, these problems would be amplified on a global scale. The long-term effects are equally as fascinating and terrifying. But could this scenario ever become a reality? Only time, and perhaps a touch of alchemy, will tell. For now, we can only speculate and dream of a world where the streets are paved with gold. Alchemy, the medieval forerunner of chemistry, has long been obsessed with the idea of turning base metals into gold. But could our world ever be transformed into pure gold? Well, scientifically speaking, it's currently an impossibility. Let's delve into why. Every element, including gold, is defined by its atomic number, the number of protons in its nucleus. Gold, with an atomic number of 79, is unique. Its atomic structure gives it that distinct yellow luster and resistance to tarnish. To turn any other element into gold, you'd need to add or subtract protons, which is no small feat. Now, imagine trying to change the atomic structure of the entire world. The energy requirements would be astronomical, making such a transformation far from feasible. And let's not forget the potential dangers. Messing with atomic structures could lead to unimaginable consequences like nuclear reactions, causing more harm than gold could ever compensate. Furthermore, such a transformation would disrupt the balance of nature. Gold doesn't support life in the way that carbon, oxygen, and other elements do. Turning the world into gold would essentially mean the end of life as we know it. While it's a fascinating thought experiment, the reality of a golden world remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. So, we've taken a journey through a world of gold, exploring the immediate and long-term effects. The golden scenario, while dazzling to the imagination, would certainly be far from a dream come true. In this reality, our first encounters with the golden transformation would be catastrophic. Economies would collapse, environments would be devastated, and the physical impact would be nothing short of disastrous. In the long run, life as we know it would cease to exist. The Earth's biodiversity would perish, and the survival of humanity would be at stake. An all-gold world, while fascinating as a thought experiment, is a harsh reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. We've also looked into the realm of alchemy, realizing that transmuting elements is not as simple as it seems in fairy tales. It's always fun to ponder what-if scenarios, but for now, our world will remain beautifully diverse and thankfully not made of gold.